Yay! Big blizzard. Big fun. They're expecting about 18 inches. Let's zoom in a little bit. See all the blowing and drifting snow. The flags, well, sort of flapping in the wind. There's Sunset Towers. This is fun stuff. And this is just the snow alone. It's right about 9 inches. There's some more blowing snow for you. Yay, fun. Let's go around and enjoy the blizzard. I'll use this previously cut path. There's some more wind and snow for you. Here's my kneecap. And there's the snow line. And I'm not even in all the way. However, that's mostly snowplow berm. This is wonderful weather. Jimster586 loves this weather. Of course, because of all this wonderful snow and wind, I taped up every single orifice on this camera. That even includes the buttons, so the camera won't get damaged. And there's Sunset Towers. You can sort of see it. Stand still so you can see it. And you know what this intersection is. And no, we're not going to play across the street. Just a point of reference. I believe the camera's already fogging up. Let's see what the temperature is. It says 30. And as we all know, you subtract 4 and you get the actual temperature. Oh, isn't this just wonderful? And of course, because it's so cold, the camera's going to fog up. Here's a combination of snow berm from tractors clearing the sidewalk and the road. Look at that. And that's about to my waist right there. Nice. Oh, we got an SUV stopping, and they got the green light over here. Where's your turn signal? Oh, look, a MART bus. Whee! Slip and slide. Oh, look, this wasn't here when I was around several minutes ago. They cleared an opening. Now take a look between all the street signs. You would never know that there are buildings there. Here's Allen's department store. Home of the Christmas dinosaur that hasn't been seen for, I think, 4 years now. And we'll wipe down the lens again. Oh, there's a little fog buildup on it. There's fog inside the lens. So who knows how long this video is going to last. Here's 20 Main Street. There's the McGrath 2 building. And the building in your center right there is the original McGrath. And we're going to go walk through downtown Leominster, as in the common area, just to enjoy this wonderful weather. Stevie Breach, you want to live in weather like this, don't you? Delay Pat, you definitely would love to live in this, don't you? And of course we know Jimster586 and I just can't get enough of this. I mean, the 90-degree days in June and July. Nah, nobody wants that. And we got clearing. Here we are. Monument Square, which is what this is. Plenty of monuments, hence obvious name, Monument Square. Here's a look down Route 12. You can see, sort of, you can see some more blowing snow. It's not blowing too hard right now. Just a pain in the butt. Oh, here's a beautiful scene. And very ice-stingy. Which we know is not a such word, but a lot of fun to walk in. So we're supposed to get about 1.5 to 2 feet of this wonderful white crap. Let's swipe the lens. Yeah, there's a cloud there. I don't know how much of this you're seeing right now. This thing has not acclimated very well. It looks like you can still see. Listen to the dancing snowman. If you remember last year I pointed this guy out for Christmas. Unfortunately, bad choice of radio stations. 107.1. A huge rock station, WAAF, is on 107.3. This snowman does not have very good coverage because of that. And there is a curb. And as you can see, there isn't a lot in the way of traffic. And we'll head back down this way. Well, they actually cleared the sidewalk this time. Again, barely visible, especially with the cloud building up. There's the Sunset Towers, which can be seen many places throughout the city. Whoa, slipped a little bit. And they still haven't did this sidewalk. And look at our buried fire hydrant. Yeah, the camera's finally acclimating just as we're about to get close to wrapping things up. And we're going back this way, see what things look like heading in this direction. Yeah, can't really see much of anything. There used to be a bank here in the bank building. Very original name. Yeah, the fog is slowly disappearing, but video's almost over. Oh, the fun. I have to say, for such an epic storm, the plow guys have kept up on it pretty well. I was pretty surprised. There's been lesser storms that much worse than this. Ready? And the winds have calmed down a bit, even if it's for a moment. And the temperature has dropped. $29. Oh, it changed. $29, subtract 4, it's $25. And that's our wonderful blizzard. Nice. Hope you enjoyed it, because I sure haven't.